Let's go.
He just got out of rehab.
Yeah.
Everybody give him a round of applause. Clap for him. What's up, guys? I'm Swanstrom. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are heading down to Tampa International Airport so we can pick up our new friends that won the 2 tickets to paradise. We're able to come down, hang out with me and the crew. We got the crew behind us. You got Art over there, Big Daddy Brian.
What's up, everybody?
Slinky's right there. Big Country is down at Bradenton Motorsports Park testing with David Green, customer of ours. So he was not able to come with us tonight. But for tonight's video, we're actually going to go pick up the 2 winners. We're going to take them to dinner. We're going to get everything situated because tomorrow we have a big day of cooking with Big Country and going to Cleetus and Cars. All right, boys, so we're about to get out of here. We're about to head out to Tampa International Airport. Big Daddy Brian came up with an idea. We're going to pick up our drivers, right? You know, because I've never been picked up by a limo or nothing before, but you know how they hold the cards?
Yeah.
So go ahead and let them see the sign you came up with.
We're gonna stand out in front of the airport like this. There we go.
We got Sean flying in at 8:16, and we got No Leg Craig flying in at 8:30.
Well, we got them a sign so they know who, where they're coming from.
Yeah. I hear it, but I damn sure don't see it. You think with the plane, it would have some kind of lights.
Oh, they got lights.
I didn't see it.
I see a plane. Look, boss, the plane.
It's the plane.
Hey, boss, the plane.
There's a plane coming. Where are we gonna eat at, B?
Wing House found me.
Let's go see. We're gonna see some women.
Hey,
Wing House.
ain't nothing wrong
They
with
got cold beer and they got ass and titties.
that. Yes, they do. And some good chicken wings.
We got Slinky in the back. He about to blow out. Don't let our sign blow out. We got Art driving. We're going to pick our boys up. Hell yeah, they just arrived. Both have texted me. They both landed down. We're following Big Daddy Brian. He's in the front of us because they got 3 of them, 2 winners. One of them brought a son. You got us 4. Don't run into him. This is Dad's truck. He may fight you.
We got good insurance.
We're just not allowed to touch his battery. We can take his truck though.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, get on the other side so they can see you. Looking for a Sean. B, let them know what we got going on.
Hey, what's up, fellas? What's going on, man? How you doing, man? Good to see y'all, man.
You can hop out of the vehicle. We don't bite. Yeah, B, they're going to wait. They're getting off right now.
The parking police might get it.
Yeah. Parking police can hold my nuts. Where'd you come in from?
New Jersey.
Jersey.
You came out of rehab, right?
All the time, man.
Yeah.
You keep blowing that damn whistle.
Yeah, that shit's annoying as hell.
Should be down here.
Man, they going, yeah, they'll come down here.
Slinky got a rape whistle too.
Are they were, you were JetBlue, so.
They're American. I told them to come out and make a right. Slink, pull out this way.
That's fucked up.
What's that?
Can you read it?
Yes.
No, you can't. Country.
Hell yeah! Congratulations!
You better have that oven hot or the beer cold.
Let's go!
Let's go. Here you go. We're here representing.
Look at him!
Seeing our
I got a
boy.
lot more merch for y'all
Let's go.
too.
Let's go.
He just got out of rehab.
Yeah.
Everybody give him a round of applause. Clap for him. Woo!
There you go. Look back.
We're going to eat at Wing House.
Let's go.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, let's ride.
That's my Cadillac.
Sean.
That's my Cadillac.
He said that's my Cadillac.
That's my Cadillac.
You're Chase, right?
Yep.
All right. So we got Chase, we got Craig, we got Sean. You got Art.
Yeah.
We got Slinky, and we got Big Daddy Brian. If they blow this motherfucking whistle one more fucking time.
Whistle, please.
God
We're getting
damn.
all in here.
Well, we can ride with Brian. They can all, y'all can all ride with me.
Georgia.
Oh shit, I gotta get over.
Sling, move your arm, move your arm. Oh no, we got an extra.
You got it. There's a whole fucking. You got a whole lane.
Wait, down. Oh shit.
I'm just telling
Y'all know I did.
You might be able to drive a race car, but
you can't drive a fucking
truck. He cannot drive a truck.
Y'all know I've hit a wall or two before.
You're good at that.
Alright boys, so we done picked the boys up, got it from the airport. We're going to Wing House. You know, we're just gonna look at some titties, look at some ass, hang out, eat some wings, drink some beer. Y'all drink, right? All
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, we
So
drink cold beer.
tomorrow we're heading out to Cleetus and Cars. We're gonna go hang out with Garrett and all of them. I'll get everybody tickets and all that to be able to head on out there. We're gonna be taking Slinky's got to work in the morning, but in the afternoon he'll be heading out there with us. But go ahead and introduce yourself. Let them know where you're from.
Craig, aka No Leg Craig.
Chase O'Farrell.
Dayton, Texas.
Dayton, Texas.
You're
Sean.
Dayton,
Both of
Texas.
us.
Yes,
Dayton,
sir.
Texas.
Dayton, Texas.
Hey, y'all are
I'm
from where?
New Jersey.
See, I used to
New
watch
Jersey.
that. What's that football movie?
Friday Night Lights.
Friday Night Lights.
Hey, that is something about like that. We all
I heard
under
Texas.
the lights in Texas.
Well, I
is a
heard
big
Texas
deal.
is big in football.
Yeah, but our
Under the
team
lights.
sucks. Dayton sucks.
Yeah,
They gotta get over
I tell you what, New York Giants.
What
ain't
about
much
you?
better. Sean, I'm from Carteret, New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh,
Dirty Jersey.
Dirty Jersey.
Okay, so you're the other winner. I got you.
Yeah, y'all are the two winners.
The other winner.
Craig's over here like, who the fuck's this guy?
I just seen the sign and I figured let me hop in the truck.
We're driving through.
I was thinking, I'm outside, I'm like, damn, I want to smoke a cigarette. How am I gonna know what truck that is? Next thing I need to see Slinky in the back with a big ass sign. I'm like, oh, that must be my fucking ride. I just jumped right in the fucking truck. I didn't even let traffic stop. I'm like, oh, just keep on going.
Then you had the woman.
I was looking at you and thought you was like a stepbrother or something.
The whistleblower. And then the whistleblower, she come over there. She. Yeah, see, we get handicap parking up front.
Yeah.
Look at him. He said if they come out and ask who's handicapped.
I'll be like, here, y'all look at this. How handicapped you want it?
do that again.
Do it again. I'll be like, here, how handicapped you want it? What the fuck?
Brian, we can't drink with him. We had some fucking fun.
There's some bitch over there tickling me by the knife face. I'll be like, hey, boy.
You even got new fresh Nikes on.
Well, they were. I tore the damn.
Yeah, them bitches are good right there.
Yeah,
Air
they
Max,
were.
most comfortable shoe out there.
That's it. Other than you blow them out, though.
My shit fucking look.
Wait, that's
God damn, bro.
that's
That's
a new pair of shoes.
I can't afford them. I try to tell you. Y'all think I'm lying on the channel. Y'all gonna get to see. I'm broke as shit.
Yeah, Daddy's got money.
All right, let them know what you just ordered.
Hey, we just got some Jaeger bombs coming up this bitch now. Let's go. Hell yeah.
Jaeger bombs for everybody.
So we got how many drinking? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And he added you in.
You didn't add me in. I didn't take it.
Motherfucker, we got 7 people here. He ordered 6, so you do the math.
You gotta get one too. I was never good at English class.
I'm supposed to be the
I was
DD.
horrible at math, but I can count simple math.
We're in Tampa. It's Swanstrom.
We got DD.
AKA Little Country.
Old SWAT gang right there. Hold up, we gotta go around.
Good people to good times. Yep. Good people to good times. Get
This
it.
shit's gonna taste like
1,
ass.
2, 3.
3, go.
That's how it is. Oh.
Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. Hey, buddy, you like Red Bull? Grab your wings and fly, son.
I feel like I can breathe like a dragon.
Oh, yeah.
Hit it right there, that's good. Line them up. Line them up.
Hit it! Business in the front, party in the back, boy.
All show, no go.
Oh, so it goes. I'll see you in the morning.
God damn it, don't burn out.
Hit it.
Burn out.
I tried to tell y'all can come stay in the camper with me.
You come stay in the camper with you?
He put me in the ghetto. I would have went and got to bed with country before I went to the ghetto.
Hey, you come stay in the camper with me and show me that trick you do.
I ain't trying to fuck with you. Banana trick.
No banana trick going on.
Here we go.
Look at that right there.
Boy right here.
Hell yeah.
Wheelies in that bitch, though. Oh, there it is.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Woo! No hands.
I can do it no-handed. Hold on.
Wow, he gonna bust his ass. Oh no, he's not.
All right, boys, we're not gonna make this too long of a video for the first night of the trip. Are y'all having fun so far?
Yes,
Sir.
The party don't stop over here.
Nothing but hospitality. Nothing but
So
hospitality.
we've already got them dinner. We got them a good hotel. I thought about putting them in a shack or old people's home, but Slinky already let him know what he can do with a banana. But anyways, boys, I'm Justin Swanstrom. I want to thank each and every one of y'all that is watching this video. Make sure you drop a comment down below, like this video, turn the bell notifications on. We are going to be back out here tomorrow, 9 a.m., picking them up because we're heading down to Cleetus and Cars. All 4 of us right here, plus Slinky. That's an extra 2. So we got. Why? Look how tight that shirt is, bro.
What's loose?
Anyways, guys, we're going to get out of here. I'll see y'all later. Everybody say bye.
Peace out.
Peace.